So look at here. Here's another 456 waiting to go home. What's up everybody and welcome. Right here is the Grady White, that generator from yesterday has got to go into. But the first thing we got to do is get this generator off the floor and get it swapped out with this one. Alright, I got the generator swapped here. Outside is very loud, the other forklifts go and they're actually putting a motor in a boat right now. So I'm just going to walk out there and I'll film it. I got everything hooked up. We're going to see if this generator cranks up and we'll see what happens. That surging you see is actually caused by this boost board right here. Lucky we have another generator right here. We'll take it off and make sure this one's going to work. So we got another 2-for-1. Throttle actuator is bad too. Alright, let's get away from that noisy bastard. So I know we need a boost board, and we know we need a throttle actuator. No big deal, we'll get those coming. Right now I'm going to get that all unhooked, and then we got to go to the boat, get all that ready so we can set it inside. We actually have to take the pan down in order to fit that thing in, so when we get there I'll show you what we're doing. Alright, so I jumped in the boat just to make sure everything is good here. Looks like we're all cleaned up and ready to put this generator in. Gotta get the generator hanging and get this boat moved in place. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do here is drop this pan. That way it fits in the hole. So I thought I could do it with just removing the front of the pan. It looks like I got to remove the whole thing here, so. Alright, well that sucked. Now I gotta put the pan on in the hole there. Alright, we got her in here. We got our motor mount bolts in. Everything in the back is hooked up. Now I just gotta hook up our control harnesses. We got our actual AC wiring there. Our exhaust on this side. Then we gotta put back together our fuse panel. That being said, we're actually waiting for a boost board and actuator, so we'll finish that at the same time. I'm gonna pack this one up because I gotta get ready for the road tomorrow. So I will see you then. Thanks for watching. Later.